Hi, it's Jigglypuff.
And her husband, Beefly-Puff.
We're not even a Pokemon.
Who cares? You married me.
Okay. I said. Okay. Wow. Ow. All I'd say is, hey. It's my hand. Alright, hand. Not so small. We are married because we're both big, huge balls. Did that sound wrong? Okay, so we're big, huge, round. Duh, whatever. You know what I mean. So, he's fuzzy. I'm not. I am, like, Rolly, and he isn't. Yeah. Yeah. And. Sorry about that. Okay. I don't know what to do. What are you? I'm a little pink thing. Your head's so big. Yeah, okay. You're so big for a Pokemon compared to me. What was that? Okay, Beefly-Puff, it's yours. Yeah, so, hey, I'm a Mountie! Canada. You could get me at Vancouver. I don't know where to get Jigglypuff, but you could get me at Vancouver with my little buck teeth. Why did we have to live in stupid Canada? I want to get the Dawn of the Dance Monster high doll. Okay. Listen. Oh, Canada, how many different with your big love in us and coming with so much we see that you're not strong and brave from far and wide, oh Canada, we stand on guard for thee, God keep our land glorious and free. Oh, Canada, we stand on guard for thee. Oh, Canada, we stand on guard for thee.
Yeah.
I can't take my hat off. This is a stupid empty spell. Empty spell. Yeah. So, yeah, this video's getting short. But anyway, comment, subscribe, and add this to your favorite. And definitely comment and subscribe. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Jigglypuff. My mouth is so small. Jigglypuff. I can sound like random though.
Jigglypuff. Jigglypuff.
Jigglypuff.
Jigglypuff. Jigglypuff. Jigglypuff. Jigglypuff. Jigglypuff. Jigglypuff. Jiggly.
Look at this. Look at it. Look at this. Move the camera. One second. Wait. Okay. So everybody. Everybody. Everyone. YouTube. So, what we really hope is comment, subscribe, and add us to your favorite. Bye!